Morning. Investors across markets will notice a similar price action yesterday, starting with a sell-off and then a pickup. So this created a candlestick with a small body and a rather long lower wick, which is typically a bullish signal. So ultimately, price didn't change much and closed near record levels for equity indexes and, in the case of gold, just a tad on the 1,900. In the crypto space, more violent but similar, prices crashed yesterday only to then be bought en masse. So Bitcoin actually is closing precisely where it opened, creating a very flat day, but the intraday moves were strong and took us more than 7% lower at 31,000. It might not feel like it, but this type of action is actually bullish. It's typically leveraged longs in the mid 30Ks that got liquidated, pushing prices down, only to be met by a flurry of buyers pushing it back up. Across alts, a similar dynamic took place, although maybe more dramatic. Ethereum fell 10% intraday, only to walk back on losses and close 2.5% down at 2,500 right now. Some other coins, actually like Cardano or the Graph or Comp or Polkadot, held up better and rose 0 to 1%. There are several pieces of news and data to take into account. For example, it seems that the activity on the Bitcoin blockchain has decreased quite a bit in the past few days. And it's also interesting to note that the volumes on Bitcoin have dropped. Conversely, the Ethereum activity and volumes remain comparatively stronger. The interest in Bitcoin hasn't really waned though. Microstrategy, which initially offered 400 million in secured notes, just raised that amount to 500 million as they received more than $1.6 billion in orders. So an astonishing amount for most people, myself included. Away from pure Bitcoin price action, interesting to see that Amazon is looking to hire a blockchain staffer with experience in DeFi, and at the same time, Spartan Group is closing $110 million raise for a DeFi-focused fund. On the regulatory front, though, you can see officials gearing up to be much more hands-on, as for example, the IRS urges Congress to regulate crypto and get crypto data. And then we also see governments in different countries seriously studying the creation and issuance of CBDC for the better and the worst. So you've got these two dynamics kind of moving alongside one another. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.